What is up kasikat, mayong hapon sa inyong tanan, and karon another video karon nga hapuna kay today is August 29, 2025 and naay pagabuhaton nga acquaintance party ang Bachelor of Public Administration program sa Magsaysay College. And sad to say, ako na po nang ilang gikuha nga MC, so ako na po ning i-document ang ako ang pag-MC sa ila like last year nga akong ginabuhat. So ubanin ko ninyo makasikat para enjoy kayo akong journey karon pa biyahe namin napami sa Damayuhan sa Mambalay, and pabiyahe namin padulong dito kay ang giingon alas 3 man daw, and para pud sayo mahuman og para mang-disco na sila. Good luck sa my journey. Hello, what is up kasikat? Dami diri karon sa maong venue diri sa asa ba ni? Hirona Beach Resort kay magsugod na ang ilahang acquaintance party sa BPA program. Along with one of their instructors, we have Sir Instructor na rin ka karon, sir?
Instructor na karon.
Wala ba ni mo, sir? Okay, just prepare, ready taon niya. Na yung mga gwapa nga mga instructor like si ma'am. Mukanta ka niya, ma'am? Okay na, sige na, naapoy mo ang PPA chair, program chair nga murag cowboy, nasa likod ayan. Sir Bryce, shout out. And to all of his ka-babies, goodbye later on. We will see you later on along with our program. Okay, palihog mang lingkod. Mga estudyante sa Bachelor of Public Administration, maayong hapon! Once again, BPA family, good afternoon! Are you all excited? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, may I ask everyone, how is your feeling today? This afternoon, okay na ba ang tanan? Okay na ba mo? Anyway, welcome here at Hirona Beach Resort, Poblacion Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. Before we proceed, bigyan natin ang ating mga sarili ng isang masigabong palakpakan naman dyan, mga kaibigan. Of course, I am hoping that we are all ready for fun, friendship, and unforgettable memories, because I believe that is what acquaintance party all about. Tama ba? Tama, dili? MC! Hawksbill! Taga-MC mo, taga-SJIT mo. Mura mo makabalo sa atong yel. Anyway, I am Wilson N. Awayan. I am from BPA Batch 2024. I was once part of the BPA family. I graduated my tertiary education last year lang. Taga-MC lang gihapon ko. I am one of those DJs sa walay radyo, mga igsoon. And I will be your host for this evening BPA Acquaintance Party 2025. I am here to make sure that everyone will be having so much fun later this evening. It's such a privilege anyway to be standing here in front of you, guiding us through this amazing celebration. So please get ready. Once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili kaibigan. Ladies and gentlemen, an acquaintance party wouldn't be complete without a burst of energy, and who better to show us that than our very own first year students. First year, are you ready? Akong tawagon ang una nga mag-present sa ilang yell or cheers. Ha? Tabuon nato sa masipang pakpak. First year or BPA 1A. Palakpakan nato. Asa man, you'll be performing your yell dito sa dagat. Charot. Dere lang, dere. Somewhere that is visible to our eyes. Okay? First year, na-inform mo first year? Murag wala mo na-inform galing. First year 1A. First year, gihangap na raba ko first year. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are halfway through the program. Happy tata mahuman karon sa ato ang programa. Nangaon pa ang ato ang mga faculty, ang ato ang mga students. They are currently taking their dinner kay medyo gipanggutom na silang tanan. And also ako karon mukaon na po ko diri karon kauban ang atong mga faculty and staff, ladies and gents. For now, baba kay magkaon sa ko.
A few moments later.
Okay, next. Okay, go, next. Next. Okay, there you go.
So kasikat na humanagid ang ilahang program. And thank you so much to PPA faculty for inviting me here as your host of your acquaintance party. To past officers, governor, dagan kayong salamat sa mga kasikat nga nagtanawan ng video. Boy Chef, dagan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Bye!